I chat on girls on Facebook. Girls on face.
So I made a video on how to speak fluently in English in an interview. So I hope you guys applied it, but you have not. Then I'm going to show you one video where that is totally shown, clearly shown. I'm kidding, obviously. The video which I'm going to show you, that is so damn funny. Funny for me. I'm sure you would have watched that video somewhere else. If not, then you should definitely watch it. So hello there, what's up people, it's me Jai, watching me on the Expound. In today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play that interview which is so damn funny. The answer which is telling, I'm going to say it in a proper English so that you can understand it also and you can apply it also when you are going in an interview. So the interview is for a network engineer. So they are calling some of the man who is ready for this job, and then this man comes and shows up for this interview. Let's just start watching that video.
Hi, so tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am sitting in front of yourself.
So the first mistake he's making here is he have to call that lady as ma'am, in a respect way, but he's calling us as sir. So yeah, and the next one is I'm sitting in front of yourself. You should say like I'm sitting in front of you, because yourself you will use it like tell me about yourself. So you can't use this yourself here.
Myself, Rakesh Mohanty, and I am technology mad.
So he just told himself he's a technology mad, but this is not a technology mad. He's just basically trying to say that I love technology so much.
But if you will ask me what is my passion,
But if you ask me what is my passion,
I will say hardware.
2,000 years.
no, actually I took half an hour to understand what he just said. Wait, I'm confused. No, wait, what?
But this is for the first time I am doing on Spiky. Pardon, sir?
So this spiky and the question which she is asked, it has no relation. So he just meant to say that this is the first time I am on a video call on Skype. If you want to take revenge from your English teacher, just take this video and just send to that English teacher. Finding his English teacher. And I hope that his English teacher is not like this guy.
You don't write a letter.
You don't write a letter.
They don't write a letter.
They don't write a letter.
He does not write a letter.
He does not write a letter.
She does not write a letter.
She does not write a letter. Right.
I wish I had an English teacher just like him. I really feel now. I would be so good in English. So good.
I studied 10th Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, graduate Cambridge Institute, Ranchi.
Wait, what? Cambridge?
Ranchi.
Oh, Ranchi. Wait, Cambridge in Ranchi?
Ranchi, not from England, note it. And I am putting my screwdriver everywhere.
So whenever he is actually going and testing some of the hardware material, he is actually trying his screwdriver in that hardware materials everywhere.
And seeing what is happening.
And I see what happens.
I am a hidden scientist.
Hidden scientist. So the scientists which we know, they are unhidden scientists. Yes.
Sir, I am working with BSNL telephone company.
I'm working with a telephone company. He's not working, right? He's not working with the company. He's working in a company.
Whenever the line goes up, I ride the telephone khamba and make the line good.
No, wait, what? So he just meant to say that he's working in a BSNL company. So whenever a BSNL line goes off, he ride on his bike and go to the telephone pole. It's not khamba, okay? It's pole, BSNL pole, not to make the line good. You can just say like he repairs the line.
And during my spare time, I chat on girls on Facebook, and also I collect pan masala wrappers. I have a huge collection, almost 2000.
Pan masala wrappers. So he's not a technician or he's not the person who loves hardware. He's a pan masala wrapper collector.
And how do you see yourself progress in this career?
Sir, I will have a fruity career in your steamy company.
It's not fruity career. I will have a good career or I will have a satisfying career.
And I will perform and reach the climax position.
You know what? I just need this kind of confidence in my life. Then I would have reached. He is meant to say that he will keep on working and he will improve their company also. It's not that he will reach the climax in the sense that he will reach the higher position. There are several positions in the company, right? So he will start from the base and he will reach the higher position.
Okay, and can you shift to Oman? Will you have any problems shifting to Oman?
Sir, I do not have any problem to shifting abroad country.
I don't have any problem in shifting to a abroad country.
But I will not change my religion.
Religion? Who's telling you to change religion?
Otherwise, I am very open-minded and I am always happy, even when I am sad.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
He is open-minded, yeah. Okay, that's fine. It's okay, uncle, it's fine. It's good to be open-minded. But it's not good to be happy when you're sad. No, you can't do that. Nobody can do that. It's just saying like, oh dad, you're my father.
And I am morally very good, morally very high. And I have also my resignation letter ready from BSN.
Okay, so then we'll get back to you.
Sir, I am getting the job now.
We'll get back to you.
Thank you very much.
You can just say that, ma'am, am I going to get my job? So from this video, we can clearly understand that rest in peace English. So this is what happens when you skip or bunk the English class and go outside. So never do that, okay? I think I totally forgot my English now. I think English is sitting and crying in one of the corner. After listening to this, I think English itself did suicide. Yeah. And the final answer which I want to know is, if yes, then it's time to leave the planet. Now, let's leave. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a little bit after watching his video at least. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this, give it a like or share this video with someone who really want to know how to speak in an interview from him. Actually, he was telling some of the sentence correctly, but then some of the words and some of the funniest thing which he told, that was quite funny. So I will try to find some more videos like this and then I'm gonna just, there was nothing so that I can translate from here. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye.